Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to implement a sticky motion effect or a sticky scroll function to your widgets or sections in your WordPress website using the Elementor plugin from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your WordPress account as an administrator. So assuming that you guys have that going for you and you have the Elementor plugin installed, you're ready for the next step. And the idea here is we want to click on the edit site button, or basically go to the site builder or text editor for Elementor. And there are a couple ways to get there apart from clicking on edit site. You guys can click on appearance and editor, or hover over plugins and click on install plugins and selecting Elementor. Or you could go to pages and select the corresponding page that you want to edit. And it's honestly that simple. So let's pretend that I want to add a sticky scroll effect to this container right here. So this one from scratch. So to do it, you want to select it, or you want to navigate to the main container, like this one right here, on the navigation bar. So from here, you guys want to click on the Advanced tab. So there's Layout, Style, Advanced, and you want to click on Advanced and click on the drop down for Motion Effects. And you guys will see right away that there's an option that says Sticky. Now I should mention that this function is only available to people who are on the Pro plan for Elementor, but either way it's still the same. I'm currently using the free plan for this one, but it's pretty much the same deal. Just click on any container or subsection that you want to add a sticky function to, and click on the drop down and click on enable, and you guys are done. You've successfully added a sticky motion effect for your for scrolling in Elementor whenever someone visits your WordPress website. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.